Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Isabela from the Disney movie Encanto. So I actually have not seen this movie yet. Let me know in the comments if you think I should watch it or not. It looks like it's a good movie, but I don't know if I should watch it or not. But I decided to draw Isabela today because I saw a picture of her dress and it just looks so pretty. So let's get started drawing. I'm going to start drawing her eyes. So this is going to be just a picture of her face and the top part of her dress. It's not going to be like a full body picture. All right. So her eye shape. We're going to make a little line like this. So like straight line and kind of slanting downwards a little bit. And then over on this side, we're slanting downwards and then going straight like that. And now up top here, she's got a bit of like a darker brown, almost like a darker brown eyeshadow kind of color. So we're gonna make these two little lines here because when we're getting ready to color, we know where to put our darker brown. And the inside of her eye, make two little shapes like that. And then we're going to do a little circle that's going to stay white. And then this circle that I'm drawing now is going to go all black. So I'm just going to make it all black right now. Okay, so now she has a pretty thick eyebrow. So above that eye a little bit, we're going to do a bit of a straight line. And it's going to come up a little tiny bit like that. It's not going to be too thick, but we're going to come across this way as well. And we can color that in fairly dark. I'm just coloring in a little bit of the dark spots here as I'm going, but I'm doing the actual coloring when I'm finished the drawing. All right. For some reason, I got a little tongue-tied, and that got a little tricky for me to say. All right, so a little ways across, we are going to do her other eye. So we can try to line it up, try to make it so that it's on the same level, so that we don't have one eye here and one eye all the way up here or all the way down there. Try your best to match it up so that it's on the same level. And we can do the same shape that we did for her first eye, only opposite. And then we need the inside shape of her eye. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little circle here, and that's going to be a little white circle. And this part that I'm doing now is going to go all dark. And I'm going to thicken this up a little bit. This top part of her eye, make it a little bit thicker. And I'm going to make this one a little thicker too. Okay, so now we're going to put a little curved line right here and a little curved line right here. And like I said earlier, that's kind of where the eyeshadow, the darker brown eyeshadow area is. So we're coming across here, and then we're going to try to match up our eyebrow that we're doing with our other eyebrow we did so that one isn't a whole lot thicker than the other. Okay, and you see we didn't make this one a full eyebrow because it's going to be covered with her hair. So now she needs a nose. So we're going to go down a little bit, and I'm going to put a little nostril here, and then a little funny looking shape, and then another little nostril. Then right here, I'm going to make a little small curve like that, and a little small curve like that. And then we're coming on down in between the eyes, but not in the middle. And right here on this side, we're coming down a little bit too. Okay. And next I'm going to do lips. So got a little small line. And we're going to come on out and curve it up a little bit. And same over here. And then we're going to make a curved line. And now she needs a bottom lip. Okay, so just try your best to follow along with what I'm doing. If it doesn't look exactly like what I'm doing, that's totally fine. And also, if I'm going too fast, feel free to stop, pause the video, go back. It's all up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to do a piece of part of her hair here. So where she parts her hair is kind of just like above this beginning part of this eyebrow. So right here. So we're swooping down this way. You can see how it goes over that eyebrow. And we can just keep on going. She's got long dark hair, very pretty hair. And then over on this side, we can come down a little bit. She's got a pretty round face. Okay, so you can just try your best to follow along with what I'm doing. Doesn't have to look perfect. It's all about practice and having fun. Okay, all right, so I'm going to just thicken up right here a little bit. And right here is where we would see her earring. So I'll do like a little circle spot because she actually has like, it looks like a little gold piece connected to her ear. And then she's got like a little pearl of some sort or like a little dangly part on her earring, but we can't really see it well because it's covered by the hair. So I'll just do those two little dangly parts. So one right there and then one, you can see part of it right here on the other side of her face. And let's keep working on the hair. So on this side, it's in behind her ear. So we don't see as much over on this side. And just do long strokes. She's got real long hair. And she also has a flower in her hair, so I'm just going to do a few little like shapes of flower petals right here. But you can't really see it fully because it's on the other side of her head. Okay, so now she needs a neck. We're going to come on down a little bit and curve. Same over on this side. And we're going to start on her dress. So do the little neck of her dress here. This dress is so, so pretty. Two little lines like that. And now there's so many flowers on this dress. Don't feel like you have to draw all the flowers, but it's very pretty. All right, so we got two little lines here, like on the shoulder area, but her shoulders aren't straight here. This is actually ruffles. So this is a really like ruffly spot on her dress. So we did this like curvy, squiggly line. And we can just kind of make little lines like this, kind of going inward, just kind of showing the shape that the fabric is taking. And right here is where one part of fabric is connecting to the other part of fabric, the like armpit area. We're gonna come on down here with the shoulder and do a line like that. And this is where there would be another ruffly spot, same as up here. All right, and right here, we're gonna do that other little armpit area. And then come down a little bit with the shoulder. And slant down that way. And then we're gonna add some more ruffles. Same as what we just did on the other side. Okay, all right, so before I start doing coloring, we still need to finish her hair. So bring on some hair strokes this way, and then some here. And she's got little flowers all along here, and little flowers around here. So I'm gonna put those in now real quick. We might speed up this part just to make it a little bit quicker. All right, so I am going to take my black Sharpie and I'm going to just outline the drawing just to make it kind of stand out a little bit more, but I'm just doing this outside outline, nothing on the inside. And then after I finish that outline, I'm gonna get coloring. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of Isabela from Encanto. So please let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see me draw for the next Daily Doodle. And feel free to like and subscribe and all that good stuff because it's super duper appreciated. All right, well, I hope you guys had a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.